So today I am going to show you how the sattu is made in a traditional way. There are different process involved in it, so you will see all the process. So this is put inside the water, you can see. So we are making sattu. So this is put inside the water. So this is the first process. First process, what you do, we keep it in the water and we boil it for some time, so that it just little bit absorb the water, very little. And you can see the water here, and it is just getting hot. We are burning the wood, and you can see we are doing it here. You can see the water. So we will turn it 2-3 times up and down, and then when little bit it is cooked, very little, and then we will put it in the sun to dry, and then we will see the next procedure. So we don't have to boil it completely. We have to boil just a little, so that when we cook, so the little moisture is there that can cook our chana. So
अभी मामा फोटो लेगा वो हो गया है देख लो बोल करके
so you can see the water is boiling, and this is done. You can see you have to cook just a little bit, not much. You can just see this much. Now we will put it on the floor to try it. So we have cleaned the surface very nicely, and then now we'll put this.
तो छोड़
So now the water will drain out by itself, and our chana will spread the chana, and it will get dry. It won't. We are not going to dry it completely. There will be little moisture in it. तो हमने इसे ड्राई करने के लिए छत पे भी डाला है. जब ये ड्राई हो जाएगा तब हम इसे फिर से नेक्स्ट प्रोसीजर आपको बताते हैं. तो इसका सारा पानी इसमें से ऐसे निकल जाएगा. ऑल द वाटर विल come out, and it will be just a little moisture left in the chana gram. So you can see we have just spread it to dry, and you can see we have not cooked much, just little moisture in the chana, in the horse gram, and then we will do the next procedure. This is the sand from our Ganga river. This is very fine, and we will be frying the horse gram in this, and then we'll see the procedure. Already this we are heating it up, so we have put the soil here so that it doesn't come out, heat doesn't affect, because we are doing it from here. And this has to be little tilt, so that when the grams are done, so we can take it out in this sieve and the soup. So we have already dry our sand, and we have got the chana, and sand is already hot, so we will put this chana here. So to know when the sand is ready, we have to put this stirrer into the sand, and it will start a little bit to smoke it. So this is the way you know it is done. So we have given something to the fire. We have offered something to the fire. So with the heat of the sand only, it will cook our horse gram. तो ये सैंड के हीट से ही ये चना हमारा कुक हो जाएगा. ज़्यादा गर्म है. ठीक है. So you can see it has already started cooking. So in this sand it will completely roast, and then we will tell you the next procedure. Now you can see it has started to pop up, and some of the chana is getting split into two parts, or just breaking it up. So it means it is about to get done. So this means it is done. So this is the procedure to check if your chana is done or not. Out in the soup.
Daddy देखली अरे बोरा कल वाला बोरा क्यों नहीं
So we'll put it here to cool down. So almost after 2 hours, our chana is being roasted, and we have spread it on the cloth so that it can cool down, and then we can grind it with the next process. So what we are using here is a traditional mixture grinder which is run by our hand, and this is being used since the ages. And what we are doing here is in the center there is a hole, so we put our roasted hot gram in the center, and then it goes between the two stones and it split it up, and after splitting it remove the skin out of it. So you can see how it is. You can see it has been split, and the skin is also being separated. So this is a very traditional old technique which has been coming to the edges. You can in the stone mixture you can grind it the lots of things. You can see how it has grinded splitted our chana. So here it goes. So you put chana in the center. You can put 2-3. You have to put very little by little, and then it will split it. So now you can see what we are going to do in the next process is we are going to remove the skin out of the chana. So first we put the chana in the sieve and just remove the dust in the sense the outer covering which has become dust in the stone grinder, and you can see the small outer covering is coming out of the sieve. And it is a very easy process, and then you keep it in the another soup is usually it's made from the bamboo, and it is used mostly in every household of the village. So now we are going to see the different technique using soup to separate our horse gram from the skin, from its skin. So this is a very nice process, you can see. So what happened here is as the skin of the horse gram is lighter, so it moves forward, and the horse gram is very heavy, so it is below the soup. So you can see all the skin coming out of the soup and coming on the ground, and whatever the leftover is our horse gram. So these require different sets of skills to remove all the skin of our horse gram and the inside part separate the skin. So you can see everything is out now, only whatever left is the inside covering, and the skin is completely removed. अभी याद आ रहा है उनको.
ये सब चीज दिया.